Staying with news of Karnataka and Bengaluru, and rain havoc in the city. A few hours of rain has flooded the IT capital. Remember, since yesterday, we've been seeing those visuals of waterlogging in various key roads in Bengaluru. There was overnight rain on Monday morning and people woke up to mayhem, and there was rain yesterday as well. Now there's politics over these waterlogged roads and block roads, as well as some areas have had to be closed, and this at a time when the Congress is celebrating 2 years in power, the city grappling with this crisis. The BJP has hit out, saying the city is reeling under this heavy rainfall, while the Congress is busy celebrating its achievements. The Congress, on its part, is saying the water has been drained out in most areas.
When you look at the situation, even now the stormwater drain is nearly full. Another spell of rainfall as we speak. It's raining. Do you really see, a permanent solution to these problems?
Definitely, any problem has its own solution. But unfortunately, the priorities of the state government is missing. When entire Bangalore city has come to standstill due to heavy rains, state government, chief minister and its cabinet colleagues, they are busy in celebrating 2 years completion at Hospet. See, people are totally there in big distress. Because of heavy rains yesterday, people are suffering and 3 deaths has taken place yesterday. Rather than visiting the Bangalore city, Chief Minister is busy in Hospet celebrating 2 years completion. The issue here is whatever development work that was carried out during BJP government, due to the non-payment to the contractors, the work has stopped. You can look at the area here. Yesterday, water was blocked because all the drainage and the water passage has completely blocked, because since contractors have not received the payment, the work is totally incomplete. From last 1.5 years, the work has not been carried out. So, Deputy Chief Minister, I demand Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, rather than talking about Greater Bangalore, he should address the real issues here in Bangalore city.
Basically, we have now seen that after these heavy rains in last 2 days, which is about close to 100 mm, average of 86 across most places, we have had major complaints in two locations only. And these some of them have been identified for some time. Of course, the number of people affected are huge in case of Silk Board. Silk Board also, the problem has been only for an hour or so in the mornings, and whenever it rains, maybe an hour. But of course, because a large volume of traffic here, it gets disrupted. We will look for a permanent solution.